Hey everyone, welcome to Money Made Simply. Today we're diving into a question lots of people ask. What's the real difference between debit and credit cards? Stick around, and by the end you'll know exactly which one to use and when. Let's start with the debit card. Think of it like spending your own money, because that's exactly what it is. When you use a debit card, the money comes directly out of your bank account. If you have $100 and you spend $20, your balance drops to $80 immediately. No borrowing, no interest. Debit cards are great for everyday spending and help you stick to a budget because you can only spend what you actually have. Now, credit cards work differently. When you use a credit card, you're actually borrowing money from the bank or credit company, up to a certain limit. It's like a short-term loan that you promise to pay back later. You'll get a bill each month. If you pay it off in full, you usually avoid interest. But if you only pay part of it, the bank charges interest, often a lot. Credit cards can help you build your credit score if used responsibly, but misuse can lead to serious debt. Here's a quick breakdown. Debit cards spend your own money, credit cards spend borrowed money. Debit cards don't charge interest. Credit cards do if you don't pay your bill fully. Debit cards don't affect your credit score, credit cards do, good or bad. Debit cards usually don't allow overdrafts. Credit cards let you spend beyond your available funds up to your limit. If you want to avoid debt and keep spending simple, debit cards are your safest bet. They're perfect for daily purchases and budgeting. But if you want to build credit or earn rewards like cashback, credit cards can be powerful tools. Just be sure to pay your balance on time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more simple money tips. Got questions or your own debit versus credit story? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.